Do you know many people are having trouble with their Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4D eye showing incorrect water temperature? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Submerge transducer fully. Ensure the transducer is fully submerged in water and check the cable for any damage. Step 2. Check transducer depth. Verify the transducer depth and ensure it is not measuring from the water surface. Step 3. Adjust transducer angle. Adjust the transducer's height and angle to optimize readings, especially at high speeds. Step 4. Verify power source. Ensure the power source is providing a voltage within the 1020 VDC range. Step 5. Minimize electronic interference. Minimize possible electronic interference by turning off nearby devices and checking for engine noise. By following these steps, your Humminbird PiranhaMAX 4D should display the correct water temperature. Happy fishing! Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Humminbird users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.